my God, what a nutter. Vincent, you found us.
Oh, okay, last. This is our second watermark.
No, he's trying.
You gonna do that?